Some of us think, God don't like me. I'm considered ugly. No, you're not ugly.
But do you think you free before you talk to me?
No.
But you ain't got a yoke of iron on your neck. How you not free?
I don't have a what?
You don't got a yoke of iron on your neck, right? So how you not free?
Because I have a social security.
Because you're still under the oppressor. You don't live in your own land where your own race controls it. You live in a land where another race controls it, and all your people have to follow the ways of the people that own the land. That's right.
The thing that makes us ugly is when we rebel against God. I used to say in my radio broadcast, my beautiful black brothers and sisters. And one day I was with my teacher, the Honorable Elijah Muhammad. He said, brother, stop using the term beautiful, because nothing that rebels against God is beautiful.
Oh, what a lovely, precious dream. To be young.
Farad Muhammad knew that a young man from Georgia was living in that city. He had 6 children, living in a shotgun type of house, very, very, very poor. I think they were on welfare. And Elijah Poole, as he was called at that time, had come up from Georgia to live in Detroit. He was, like most of us, men that felt the sting of racism and took on drinking as, I guess, a way of pacifying himself.
Oh, what a lovely, precious dream.
His father was a Baptist preacher. His grandfather was a Baptist preacher, so he grew up in the church. He knew scripture. And he believed that one day he would preach, but he felt that he would preach something different from his father because he could see that, well, wait a minute, something is not quite right with daddy's preaching. I'm coming to something. May I get a little water?
And black.